Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get customized pictures in the Yolobook application. First of all, you should access the app, then you should scroll down and you will see the YOLO prints option. Click on it and you will see that there are a lot of options here presented to you. Basically the very first one has the lowest dimensions and the very last option has the highest one. Now you can go into each of the variants and see the dimensions yourself, which one suits you better. I will select the first one and proceed with order. And now select the pictures that I want. Now it's important to mention that minimum 40 pictures has to be selected here, but you can go up to 100 if you want, but you have to pay a little bit more for each picture that you select. Now I'm going to select only 40 pictures and proceed with it. X this, and here we can modify the pictures if we really want, like clicking to it and cropping, rotating or scaling it if it's necessary or if you want it to. Now for me it's okay, I scale it a little bit, I zoom in. For me it's okay, I proceed with this arrow down there, and then the only step left is the payment. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.